Hi everyone, my name is Carmen Rosa Sáenz. I belong to the Bachelor degree program in Children Pedagogy of the National Open and Distance University UNAC Girardot. This time I am going to talk to you about technologies and their impact on the every man over time, both positive and negative. Positive effect. Technology influences people living condition, improving their quality and health, as well as conserving nature. A negative effect. Technologies have also have a negative impact on the everyman due to their misuse and abuse affecting climate change and allowing the contamination of natural environment. Future of the planet. The constant evolution of technologies has made it possible for people to easily access and satisfy their needs, but they are hard also because the main causes of global warming, soil and water pollution. Strategies to mitigate environmental damage. Make people aware of the proper use of technology. Instill our children in caring for the everyman. Thanks.